8.6 at 159 miles per hour on Michelin street tires. We're not gonna be able to beat this Dodge, guys. Let's talk about it.
You really have to feel the acceleration and the cornering in this car. The throwback feeling in the seat at full throttle is just unbelievable. It truly is the pinnacle of Corvette. What we're introducing is the ZR1X, the most powerful car we've ever produced, the quickest Corvette ever at 1250 horsepower, taking front axle electrification, pairing that with the LT7 engine, truly has turned this into our first
What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and we're gonna be talking about the best V8 that has ever been made. That is right, you heard me correctly. The C8 ZR1X is the best V8 ever produced from factory. And we're gonna talk about the specs. You guys saw it take off on the drag strip, and I can't say it enough, on street tires, on Michelin Pilot 4s. Not a drag tire, no, street tires. The tires that are sold on the car. But what powers this C8? A 5.5 liter flat plane crank twin turbo V8, also known as the LT7. The engine itself produces 1,064 horsepower, and then it has a electric unit up front that also produces 186 for a total of 1,250 horsepower. The most horsepower ever produced from a factory car, ever. I don't think people understand how insane that actually is. It is all-wheel drive due to the electric unit up front. It goes from 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. So I want you to count in your head, 1,000, 2, 1,000. You're already at 60 miles an hour. That is insanely fast. As you saw, 1/4 mile, 8.6. That is faster than the Demon. I get it. Rear wheel drive versus all wheel drive, lighter car, carbon fiber wheels, all this stuff. Yes, the Demon 170 had carbon fiber wheels. I get it, 200 more horsepower. But to be able to do that on street tires, on a regular day, that means your average Joe who buys the car can go to a drag strip and beat 99.9% of the cars that are there for $200,000. And it still has 973 pounds of torque, foot-pounds of torque. That will throw you back in the seat. Corvette has changed the standard 100%. I'm late to the party. I didn't really dive into the ZR1. I'm a Mopar guy, I'm a Cadillac guy, but this C8 has really got me looking at this car. And it may not be the ZR1X, but I'm starting to look at that Z06 more and more every day. So could a Z06 come to the channel? Would you guys like to see a Z06 on the channel? You guys know C7 ZR1 is one of my dream cars, but if I'm gonna spend that money, why not get a Z06? Let me know in the comments. But other than that, I just wanted to tell you guys, it went sub 9 second 1/4 mile on street tires. Your ZR1X, the best American made V8. That's it.